So the configuration that we have done in is almost near completion, but why are we doing that configuration? It is for this part order EA01, okay? Order type AEDO sales organization. If we look at that is DT72, DT72 distribution channel will be donut bread, donuts, donut shake. Let's take donut bread division. And division is donut bread sales office. Donut Dubai sales group. No values for this selection. We haven't made any sales group. That means okay. Continue. And we here we have sold to party. Okay, sold to party. We will just search for it. For sales group, account group, and our account group was DT72, right? DT72 4712. We will choose a material, okay, and we will propose items sold to party 4712. It does not exist in DT72. Very strange. Let's go and check. But thing is, we still have some configuration left for all these items. Okay. Sales group. It is not made, so let's make one first. Enterprise structure. Definition. Sales distribution. Sales group. New entries. DT70, D72. Donut 72. Okay, this is good. Made. Okay, now next is assignment, sales, setup sales area, DT72. We have donut shakes and everything is here. Sales or setup sales area is there. Sales group to sales office, new entries, DT72 and D72. Okay. So sales group can be in sales office, there can be multiple groups for bread, for shakes, for donuts. Okay. So I've just made one default. Save, save. Okay. The sales group is also integrated now. This was missing. Sales of distribution and plant, DT72. And we have DODR, and we don't have it, right? Okay. DT72 distribution channel, and plant is DT72. Donut bread, DD, DH, DT72, 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 DT72. Okay. Save, save. All good. Yeah. Now it is done. The next part that we are going to configure was we've already done the pricing procedures. Okay. So we've already done with sales and distribution configuration already. Okay. Okay. Next is sales and distribution. Basic functions. Partner determination. Set of partner determination. For customer master, set up partner determination for customer master for sales document item, shipment, delivery, billing header, billing item. So we'll go for customer master. Okay. Over here, our sold to party will be the one that we are going to use. Okay. New entries. Okay. Bill to party, buyer. Okay. Partner mandatory. No, we'll not keep it mandatory. Okay. Partner determination. So we are basically, what we are doing is configuring how customers will be assigned in sales order. Okay. So we have sold to party 01. AG is sold to party. Okay. So we'll keep it default. Partner functions. Again, all default account groups. It's all predefined. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay. Sales document header. Now, sales order. Everything is already predefined. All you can do is you can change your bill to party functions for these features. Okay, partner is mandatory or not? Yes, it is mandatory, so it's already done. We don't need any other configuration in this area. Okay. Delivery, everything is predefined. We are just actually looking at it for the configuration that is done by default. So whenever there is delivery being done, inbound delivery without reference, shipping notifications, what is our process basically when we sell a product, when it is dispatched? Okay, delivery without order, delivery note. Okay, what does it have? Partner functions, whether it is changeable or partner is mandatory or not. So delivery note, partner is not mandatory, but it can be sold to another party as well, because the recipient can be someone else. That is the process. Okay. So these are by default some areas that we have to keep in mind. Okay. Okay. Log of incomplete items. So what happens when we actually make a sales order? Some items will not be complete, like billing address or invoice number or tax number, things like that. Okay. Define incomplete procedures. Sales header. In sales header, they can be missing, like credit memo. In sales header, it can be a credit memo. What are the fields that can be incomplete? Okay. This is the table. This is the field name, document date. This can be incomplete. So what is the status? Whether you should give a warning or not. What is the status over here? Let's see this. Okay. For example, this is delivery, billing, document, price, goods, movement. These are the process, the eventualities for every status that we have, whether this is completed, whether out of all this only one is completed or some are completed, like general data, delivery details, billing document details, pricing details. These are complete or not. So 00. These are some details that are, we can give a status to it. So it will actually check the status. Okay. Assign, incomplete, procedures to sales document type. So our sales document is AEBO, right? AEBO, we have standard order 11. No worries for concept, no worries. Define status groups. And these are status groups that we can actually assign to our orders when we are executing sales orders. Okay. So that is it. Next is what is next? Okay. Logistics generalized, batch management is batch. Batch determination and batch check condition tables. Okay. Sales and distribution condition tables. Now, condition tables are basically, let me tell you what basically is 959 table number 04. Okay, now over here, what we are actually doing, this is for our reporting purposes, that we create high-level reports using these characteristics. Okay, destination, country, and material group. And we can also have a customer that can be used as well for our reporting purposes. Okay, condition table. Do you want to generate? Yes. Local object. Local object. It has been 959 has been saved. So basically, you are creating tables for report purposes. Change condition table for batch determination. Batch determination is for reporting and for uploads as well. Allowed fields. Okay, now these are fields from the tables that we can use. Country code, county code, customer. These can be used for batch processing and for uploads. Okay. Rest, I guess we've covered quite a lot. Access sequence. Sales distribution access sequence. Customer material, destination, customer material plant. Accesses, again, we've already discussed what are accesses and what fields do we choose when we are talking about customer. It will ask for a customer and for the material when, of course, we are processing our billing documents as per the customer group and material, and based on that, the taxes will be levied. Okay, strategy types, sales and distribution strategy types. Customer material. Okay, now this is again based on your classes. Now, what are classes? If you talk in technical terms, in classes, of course, there are features. Now, features as in what? If you have a specific customer group and a specific material, based on that, we can borrow some features from material group and some features from customer group to make one class. And based on that, your strategy types can be, it can be called to the sales order. And based on that, you can define your taxation procedures or advanced procedures. Okay. So these are the strategy types. Okay. Okay. Next is definition, financial accounting, credit control area, new entries, DT72 currency is, we'll just keep it default, K4 risk category, credit limit. This is the credit limit we can give to our customers. Okay. Default data for automatically creating new customers. So the limit that they can use is 10,000. Okay. Organizational data, DT72. Okay. Save. Save. Okay. Assignment, sales and distribution. Assign sales and there is no credit control area, but we've already done that. It's okay. It's okay. Assign sales area. It's not asking for that. Okay. I guess let's stop over here for today.